welcome back for another episode of Yoga Anywhere. We've got a change of scenery today. We're going to do a practice that you can do right from the comfort of your bed. So I know we've done morning practices before and we've also done bedtime practices, but you know that feeling when you are like in your pajamas and you're ready to go to bed, or your first thing in the morning and you really want to stretch, but by the time you get out of bed or you get into bed, you just don't do it. This practice is exactly for those moments. It's for when you're still in your pajamas, when you're getting into bed or getting out of bed and you're ready to just do a quick little stretch. So you can do this right from the bed. You can have your pajamas on just like I do, and we're going to get started. So we're going to start by closing your eyes as usual. Draw your shoulders up towards your ears and then down your back, creating a nice long spine. And we're going to start with a couple of neck rolls. So we're going to drop the right ear towards the right shoulder and slowly bring the chin towards the chest. Rolling left ear towards left shoulder and then back up to center. Continuing like this for a couple of rounds. Pausing anywhere that you need to in order to feel a deeper stretch, or any places that are tight and sticky, you can stop and just hold it briefly. All right, one more on this side. And then coming back up to neutral. Now we're going to go back the other direction. So left ear towards left shoulder and slowly bringing chin towards your chest and rocking yourself around. Left ear towards your chest. Now moving through one more round here. And as you finish up, blinking your eyes open and letting that go. On an inhale, reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Exhale, bringing your left hand down and reaching your right arm long overhead, coming into a nice side body stretch. Really good. Inhale back to center. Exhale over to the right. Breathing nice long inhales and exhales here. Inhale back to center. Exhale, hands to your heart. All right, we're going to come into a little bit of an arm stretch here. So arms out in front of you, left arm underneath right, coming into your eagle arms. If you're looking at this like that's crazy, you can just allow your hands to come on your shoulder heads. And so once you're in this, you really want to draw your elbows away from your head and neck. You should feel a nice stretch through your shoulder blades here. You should feel sensation but not pain. Breathing deeply. Really good. Inhale together. Exhale, slowly release. And we're going to take our left arm across our body, right arm up. Really good. Releasing that out. Arms up. Hinge at your left elbow. Holding on to your left elbow and coming into a tricep stretch. Keeping your spine nice and long here. And so one of the hard things about the bed is that it's a little bit squishy, so your sit bones are going to sink a little bit. So just always keeping your spine nice and long. Really good. Inhale deeply. Exhale, releasing it up. Giving your shoulders a shake, and we'll move to the other side. So arms out in front of you, right arm underneath left, coming into those eagle arms. Again, if that doesn't feel good, just arms on your shoulder heads. As you come here, draw your elbows away from your face, away from your body. Coming into a nice stretch to the back side of your shoulder blades, the back side of your back. Taking nice deep inhales and exhales here. So breath should always be the center of the yoga practice. Without the breath, the yoga practice is really just moving into different kind of silly shapes, and the breath really allows it to connect and to allow you to feel a little bit more into the body. It allows you to relax the mind and really calm down the nervous system. As you're ready, releasing out of that. Right arm across your body, left arm up. Really good. And then releasing that, arms up, hinging at your right elbow and coming into that tricep stretch on the other side. And if you sit at a desk a lot, which is something that I do, you might find that right in between your shoulder blades, that upper portion of the thoracic spine feels a little bit tight and tense in this. That's okay. Just knowing the places that you feel sensation, where you feel that tightness, is really important. And that can help you figure out how to, stretch your body, how to move your body in the mornings and the evenings. Inhale deeply. Exhale, slowly releasing out of that. Really good. Shake your shoulders and let it go. We're going to come into a twist from here. So inhale, lengthen your spine. Right hand behind your spine, left hand to the outside of your right knee. Lengthening and then twisting. Be really slow and gentle with this. Know that practicing on the bed is going to be a little bit different. It's going to feel a little bit different. It's going to get into your body a little bit differently. Just being okay with wherever you are. Inhale all together. And exhale, slowly releasing down. Really good. We're going to come to the other side. So inhale, lengthen. Right hand to the outside of the left knee, left hand behind you, and then twist on your exhale. So always thinking about inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. So even when you're in the twist, if you want to go a little bit deeper, really move with the flow of your breath. Allow your inhales and exhales to guide you. Deep inhale here. And exhale, slowly release. Really good. We're going to come into a wide-legged forward fold. So just allowing your legs to come open. Taking an inhale to lengthen your spine and an exhale to fold forward. If you can't get your elbows down on the ground, hopefully you have a pillow in your bed that you could just bring in front of you and just allow yourself to fold onto. So the key with this practice is that it's nice and gentle. And all yoga should be gentle on the body. You should never be forcing yourself into poses that are hurting you or harming you or causing you not to feel good in your body. Deep breaths in and out here. Inhale deeply. Exhale, slowly coming back up. Bringing the legs together, removing the pillow. If you want, you can maybe put it here. We're going to come into a forward fold from here once again, or you can just put it back to the side. Inhale, lengthen, arms to the ceiling. Exhale, fold. And be really gentle with this. Again, because we're sinking down, it's a lot harder to do this. So you're probably not going to get as far as you normally do. That's okay. Keeping the integrity in the spine, which means keeping it nice and long so you never want to C-curve into it. You always want to keep a lot of length. Breathing deep inhales and exhales. Really good. Inhale all together. Exhale, slowly coming back up. And then as you're ready, coming onto your back, and we're going to come into a happy baby pose. So as you come into your pose, arms are on the inside of your legs, grabbing the outside neck edges of your feet, and just coming into your pose. Really good. Noticing how the sensations in each of these poses change while you're on the bed. noticing how they change from day to day, practice to practice. And just observe how you feel. Inhale deeply. Exhale, releasing down, coming into a Supta Baddha Konasana, supine butterfly pose. So palms of the feet or balls of the feet are together, legs are splayed open, and we're just allowing ourselves to relax here. And then from here, we're going to come into Shavasana. So I'm going to switch directions so I can actually extend my legs out. But you can just extend your legs out wherever you are. And if you're heading to bed, this is the perfect way to just settle into bed. If you're getting up, make sure you time your Shavasana so you don't fall right back to sleep. As always, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next practice. Namaste.